Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afroz. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Bangalore. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can do your makeup to make yourself look youthful, radiant and fresh. So let's get started. You might ask what is different from the basic makeup we do, the general makeup we do, and this makeup that we're going to do today. Of course, there's a lot of difference. I'm going to emphasize on the skincare and I'm going to show you what is the difference of, using a powdered makeup product or a cream based makeup product, how that makes a difference on your face. So let's get started with the skincare. I'm using this niacinamide from Tony Moly, taking a good amount. I can't emphasize more that skincare is very, very important. No matter how much makeup will help you change your look or, improve your look, but a fresh looking skin, good looking skin, healthy looking skin is gonna always show up through the makeup. So it's very important to keep your skin care, up to date and use them regularly. I'm just showing you some basic products here which you can incorporate in your routine. This is a niacinamide from Tolimoli. You can use any actives like vitamin C, niacinamide, peptides, which is, helpful for your skin. One thing that makes you look aged or, dull is not the fine lines, I feel. It's the discoloration in your face and, the hyperpigmentations that we have. So these skincare products will help you prevent from these issues or imperfections that we have. Without fail, please use an eye cream in your skincare routine. As we age, the areas around the eye tend to get more drier, dehydrated. So the more you keep them hydrated, the more healthier your skin becomes. I'm using the one from CosRx. Now using a face moisturizer, Rice Ceramide from Face Shop. And I would also recommend to not do your skincare one after the other without any gap. It's always better to give gaps between every product you apply. The more the time you give for it to settle down, the better for you and the makeup you do on top of it. The last step in my skincare would be a sunscreen. I would recommend you to start using a sunscreen if you have not introduced that in your routine. Do not step out of home without sunscreen. It is going to protect your skin from hyperpigmentation and also make your skin look healthy for a longer time. I'm using the concealer from Makeup Forever Ultra HD. The things you want to remember here is to keep the concealer shade as close to as your skin color, which is very important, and also keep lightweight concealers. It should not be very creamy or thick in formula, which will help giving you a natural looking skin. If you see, the shade is exactly matching my skin tone. It's not too bright nor dark. And guys, do not focus on, covering your dark circles, putting corrector. All that is not very required. Just use the right color of concealer, which will help you giving that even skin tone. I think most of us, try and focus a lot on hiding our dark circles, hyperpigmentation with a lot of product and, heavy concealers, which actually makes our makeup look cakey and not very natural, uneven. So do not try to do all of that. Make sure you're using a foundation which is light in weight, medium to full coverage, not too matte on skin. It should be a little, foundation which is little luminous on the skin. I'm sure you're able to see the difference. This foundation is not too light for my skin tone. It's nearly matching my skin tone. I'm not trying to make myself look very bright, but try to bring the natural skin color itself with this foundation. So make sure you also do not go too bright on foundation. It should match to your skin tone. What we would want to avoid doing in this makeup routine is applying too much powder. So I'm not applying powder anywhere else except from my under eye so that my concealer sets and doesn't creases. I want the natural luminosity from the foundation I've used to stay there. I don't want to powder that and mattify my, face or the look. So will not use powder anywhere else apart from my under eye for now. I'm using a very light eyeshadow color. This is from Natasha Denona Biba palette. Applying this light shade on my lower waterline, this will help my eyes look open and big. This is from Nude Stick, Contour Stick in the shade Bondi Bay. For this makeup routine, I would avoid using any powder based formula. Instead, I'll be using cream based formula or liquid based formula. Cream and liquid products usually help getting you that radiant looking skin and natural looking skin than powder. See how nicely this gets blended in the skin and looks so natural. Blushes from Nude Stick. This is in the shade Cherry Blossom. Using shades like peach, light cherry pink will help you achieve this youthful looking makeup. So don't use deep colors like berries or shades of brown. Avoid using them and try using more of pinks and peaches. I'm gonna take the brush over my nose. This helps a lot in giving you that youthful looking skin. I'm sure you're able to see how these cream products have added, the luminosity, the shine, the radiance in the skin and making you look so beautiful and fresh. I would like to add a little bit of highlighter on my eyes. This will again add to the freshness. So I'm using this highlighter from Nude Stick again. Just on the center of my eyelid. A good mascara is very important in this makeup routine. The mascara which help you give that lift and volume. I'm using the one from Maybelline Sky High. Lip liner from PAC in the shade Barely Brown. Lipstick from Estee Lauder in the shade Rebellious Rose. So this is it guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Until my next one, bye.